Someone has said such a wonderful thing that the blacker the night, the brighter the stars. Remember, the deeper the sorrows, the closer the Lord is. There was a temple on a high mountain. Big people used to come from far and wide to see devotees. A man used to see every day that there is such a crowd here that people come from far and wide for darshan. But he never went to the temple, thinking that he would go when he had to go. One night in a dream he saw that someone was killing him. Then a thought comes to his mind that despite the temple being so close to the village, I never went to that temple. Thinking this, he gets up and walks straight towards the temple. It is then midnight. But as soon as he walks a little distance, a thought comes to his mind. That the temple is so far away. I will not be able to complete the route. And he just sits there. Then they think that when morning comes, they will leave. Just then he sees that a man is leaving from there. He is an elderly man and he has a stick in his hand. He also has a small lamp in his hand, by whose light he is leaving. He asked the old man, "Where are you going?" So he said that I am going to the temple. So he said that I was also trying to go, but I am not going because of darkness. But why are you taking this small lamp? Its light is not visible only after one step. So the old man said, I go every day and come back after seeing God. And anyway, in order to walk, the light of just one step is needed. After listening to the old man, the man got into thinking. Being so old, he has so much courage. And even though I am young, I am waiting for the morning. You must have heard that God says in Gita that if you take one step, I will take another step. If there is a desire to do something in life, then the power is found automatically. And if there is doubt in your desire, it never gets fulfilled. Once upon a time, the Guru was preaching to the disciples in the Gurukul. The Guru said that whenever you meditate with a calm mind, you feel that there is an infinite store of knowledge in this universe. But we are not able to achieve even a fraction. Otherwise, who doesn't want to be happy in this world? But there are some negative thoughts in our mind which do not allow us to achieve anything. For this, we should sit in some solitude and have a little talk with ourselves and give ourselves confidence. Only then a disciple asks the Guru that how do we have to eliminate the evil and negativity inside us? Then the Guru said that nothing is so impossible. Should walk all the time thinking that we are today and will be tomorrow or not. If someone tells you that you have only one day left, what will you do? Will you fulfill all your wishes or not? In the same way, consider every day as your last day. Give as much love as you want to give. Do whatever is necessary. If you consider your day as the last day, then you will not get time to get angry with someone, cheat someone, and take any stress on your mind. Looking from a positive perspective, we can achieve our position in this world. If you have a true desire to do something in your mind, then you will put your all in it. And you have to apply. Only then success will be achieved. This will change your perspective of living. As long as we look at the world from a negative perspective, everything seems bad to us. Even if you ever fail in any work, at least you will not regret that you did not do any work of your mind in your life. Our conscience always wants our good. That's why always listen to your heart.